Once, I was your pride. Once, I was your nuisance. And once, I waited for the demolition. During the age when even smoke was a sign of glory, I represented the dreams of those who moved to Seoul. When I became weak and unstable, I was a hideous thing over people's heads, stripped of my duty. Now I greet you after an overhaul. But to you, I may be something banal, not higher or wider than you imagined. Born in rough and crude concrete, I cannot irresponsibly guarantee that you will only walk on a path of petals. But I will be the path that connects the history of you and the future you will encounter, people's steps with steps, and their hearts with hearts. My new vocation is to become the blood vessel to the center of Seoul, linking your lives and infusing life into your lives, helping you live a life full of vitality. The teardrops of the bygone days will be like water to plants, helping us sprout for a better future. I, an old path, will pave the way just for you.